An architectural masterpiece in the heart of Sonoma's wine country awaits. Welcome to Wander Healdsburg Hills. I'm Frankie, and I am so excited to show you around this extraordinary home nestled on top of 77 acres of breathtaking landscape. With 6 bedrooms that comfortably sleep up to 16 guests and 4.5 bathrooms, this home is perfect for gatherings of all kinds. This home features magnificent valley views and endless luxurious amenities, including a pool, a hot tub, a heated patio, an outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven, a bocce ball court, private trails, and a separate guest house. So come on, let's take a look inside. As soon as you step on through those front doors, your jaw will drop at this incredible living room that is a masterpiece of modern luxury, designed to feel completely open and airy, blending indoor and outdoor living, giving us a classic California space. The expansive glass doors that you can slide open all the way bring in beautiful natural light and frame breathtaking views of your surrounding landscape. It also opens right on out to our outdoor patio, so you can just easily enjoy the indoor comfort and the refreshing outdoors all throughout the day. And this is all placed right in front of our stunning gas fireplace. This piece is so grand. It is definitely the focal point of this living space. Now on either side of it, you have a flat screen TV and a classic Steinway & Sons piano. The open layout chef's kitchen is a blend of elegance and functionality, designed perfectly for cozy gatherings and endless entertaining. The center island is adorned with a gorgeous white marble countertop, great for casual dining and meal prepping. You're also going to find 2 sinks on this kitchen island, which is just so convenient. This is all surrounded by dark cabinetry that's beautifully contrasted against the light countertops and the white tiled backsplash. I also have to mention the beautiful warm wooden touches in the space as well. You have those exposed wooden beam ceilings and a center rustic range hood that completes this kitchen's design. This kitchen is fully stocked with everything you need, including high-end stainless steel appliances, cookware, dishware, and bar glasses, so you can whip up your own gourmet meal. But when you're ready to indulge further, our Wander concierge can recommend you a local private chef within the area to come to the house and cook a gourmet meal for you. Now, right behind the main kitchen, you will find a back secondary kitchen with even more appliances for you to enjoy, such as coffee makers, a full entire sink and dishwasher, a built-in wine cooler, and absolutely anything else you're going to need. And when you're ready to enjoy your cuisine, you can just step right on over to the gorgeous elongated dining table that has enough seating for 8, and I think it is placed perfectly here right between our living space and our kitchen, so you can stay connected with everyone no matter what section of the house you're in. You can step right back over to our kitchen island, where you will find seating for 4, perfect for casual dining or perhaps just sitting enjoying some drinks. And then we have our cozy breakfast nook tucked away in the corner here that has enough seating for 8, surrounded by those framed windows so you get views along with your cuisine. And when the mood calls for al fresco dining, you can step on out to the patio, where we have an outdoor kitchen featuring a fridge, a sink, a barbecue grill, and your very own personal wood-fired pizza oven, as well as 2 dining tables, one that seats 4 and one that seats 6, so you can just stare on out to the peaceful valley views while you are eating. The primary bedroom is a haven of luxury and tranquility, giving you a true retreat centered around a plush king-size bed, inviting you into ultimate comfort. This room is complete with those exposed wooden beams, giving a nice rustic charm that's complete with a golden wire geometric chandelier for a nice little modern touch. And now I think that the seating area in this bedroom is the ultimate highlight in here. You have 2 cozy armchairs and a plush couch right in front of a cozy gas fireplace, which I think is so perfect to just sit, relax with a good book in hand, or just enjoy your morning cup of coffee. You also have a flat screen TV for added entertainment, and you're surrounded by framed windows and doors that lead you on out to your own private patio, so you can just wake up, immediately step outside to that fresh, crisp Sonoma Valley air and just bask in this ultimate wonder house that you get to stay in. And for added convenience, we've placed wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds so you can stay nice and powered up even if you forgot to pack your own charger. Step into the in-suite primary bathroom that is a stunning sanctuary of indulgence and luxury designed to impress, complete with a freestanding, beautiful porcelain tub set that's right in front of a framed window so you can enjoy all of the pops of color of the nature and the stunning landscape while you're indulging in a warm soak. You also have double sink vanities here and dark cabinetry with ample storage space for all of your belongings. Now you can have a true spa-like experience stepping into the glass enclosed shower with 5 different shower heads. You heard me right. You have 3 rainfall shower heads and 2 handheld. Now, right outside of that shower, you're also going to find a heated towel rack. There is nothing like stepping out of the shower and being able to just wrap yourself up in a cozy, warm plush towel. In every single Wander bathroom, we provide you with the most luxurious amenities, including high-end shampoos, body washes, conditioners, and vanity kits. And these are all hand-picked items to ensure the highest level of quality, definitely exceeding all of your expectations. You also can wrap yourself up in plush towels, robes, and slippers. And let me tell you, I always look forward to wrapping myself up in the cozy Wander robe. It's easily the highlight of every single one of my trips. There are 5 additional bedrooms within this home, making it a perfect house for larger groups and families because everyone can have their own private and personal space. 2 of those can be found in the main house, one with a king-size bed, an in-suite bathroom, and its own private porch. And then our 3 final bedrooms are located in the guest house. You will find one complete with a queen-size bed, one with a bunk bed with a full and twin mattress, and our final bedroom is located in its own private loft space with 2 queen-size beds and a cozy sitting area. And the second has double bunk beds, a sitting area, and an in-suite bathroom. Now we're gonna go take a look at the east side of the house. Come on, let's go. Behind the sliding doors here, you will find a very sophisticated TV room, perfect for relaxing and entertaining, complete with a plush sectional sofa, a burnt orange chase lounge in front of a very warm gas fireplace, a flat screen television, and there's bookshelves on either side of the television with lots of different literature. We have a record player, games in the cabinet for you, and you have direct access to the outdoors. So this room is perfect for movie nights, binge watching your favorite TV shows, and just spending quality time with your loved ones. Every single Wander home has high-speed internet across the entire property, so you can stream, work, and stay connected while you're staying here. You also have your own laundry room in the main house with a washer and dryer. We have everything you need in here, including laundry detergent, an ironing board, a full countertop and sink, so you do not have to go home with dirty clothes. Now that's the interior of this beautiful Sonoma getaway, but here are some more features you should know about that will enhance your vacation. Step on out to the inviting and heated outdoor patio that is the ultimate spot for relaxation. Take a dip in the in-ground crystal clear, beautiful pool, indulge in a warm soak in the hot tub, or relax and lounge on the chairs just a couple steps away, perfect for lounging in the sun and reading a good book. Right across from that, you'll see our outdoor kitchen that we saw a bit earlier with a grill and pizza oven. And then step under the beautiful pergola, providing a shaded alfresco dining experience. And you can enjoy the heaters up above here that just invite you to be out here any time of the day in any season while you are taking in the jaw-dropping views of the surrounding valleys. Then moving further back on the patio, you have a very comfortable, stylish seating area surrounding a grand gas fireplace that is easily controlled with a switch on the inside, making it very convenient. You can just gather all around the crackling fire, having beautiful conversation with everyone while you are truly relaxing under the nighttime stars. The guest house that is located just a short distance from our main house is equipped with a very cozy, very stylish living space. You will find a sleek modern chandelier up above. You can open up the barn doors on either side of the room to have an indoor-outdoor living experience. You have a natural wood burning fireplace, and my favorite is that you'll find beautiful decor and vintage pieces hidden all throughout, including books. There's an old school desk in here and so much more that's just so fun to walk around and see what you can find. You have a full kitchen and a washer and dryer unit for convenience. Outside of the guest house, you will find your own personal and private patio space with a barbecue grill and 2 dining tables, a full bocce ball court, which is so fun to enjoy with your friends and family, especially if you're here with a larger group. And then you have your very own private garden with lots of different beautiful flowers, fruits, vegetables. It's just so great to enjoy a peaceful moment out here while you're admiring the nature that surrounds you. This home is equipped with an EV charger, so you can explore worry-free with your electric vehicle powered up for every single adventure. You can enhance your family vacation with Wander. We provide you with essential children's items such as cribs, high chairs, and kids' utensils in the kitchen. So those are just some items you do not have to worry about packing on your getaway. If you're wondering the best way to get here, the closest airport to Wander Healdsburg Hills is Charles M. Shaw's Sonoma County Airport. Because of this, we highly recommend renting a car while you're here, but you can always opt for an Uber or Lyft ride. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide next you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within this area. But if you're looking for more specific help, you can message our Wander concierge team at the number shown here on the screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you are planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create memories that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Thank you for joining me here at Wander Healdsburg Hills. We can't wait to welcome you. Make sure to check out our travel guide next on all of the best things to do and see within this area. We are so excited to welcome you here in beautiful Northern California. We'll see you soon.